Hey guys, what's going on? Steve S41 here. We're going to be looking at the Noco, the Noco battery charger and maintainer. Now, the reason I went ahead and bought one of these is because I had a battery tender, which I normally have quite a few of these, go dead on me. I was charging my four-wheeler battery and it stormed, and when I went to go check it, it got waterlogged. So I have the old battery tender sitting in a box on rice. I just undid the lid. It was all sealed up. But if you can hear, since all jacked up, sorry. Let's shake it out. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but it's got water in it. You can hear it kind of squishing around in there. So, yeah. Oh, and you can see little beads of water still coming out of it. So I dropped it in a bucket of rice. It's going to be sitting in there for, I don't know, until I really think it's ready to come out. Hopefully it'll absorb all that water, and then I can open it up or plug it in before I have to open it up and see if it works. So let's check that out. Discombobulated on me. Okay. Set that out of the way and just take a look at this Noco. So like I said, I went and picked this one up to replace the other one, at least for now. It's riding season. I want to get all my machines up and running, which I got quite a bit to work on. The TTR needs oil change, air filter, the usual stuff. It kind of quit on me, and first thing I did was check the oil, and it had plenty of oil in it. I am thinking, I don't know, it starts up, but it just won't kick on and start. The three-wheeler needs a new pulley set up, which I thought I had rebuilt already, but that wasn't really the case. It wasn't ready to run. So here's the Noco Genius 5. Like I said, to replace the battery tender. So we're going to open it up, plug it in, check it all, paperwork and everything in it. And hopefully it's simple and easy to use. Discard that. A lot of projects that I need to get going on. Got my Jeep that's not running. There we go. It's got a little slip joint. Not slip joint, but box aside. Okay, so here's the paperwork. Let's see. How to use, standby, some changes. Yeah, whatever. We're not going to go. We're just going to take a look at it, set it up. I might look at it. Let me get this all out of here. Nice little strappy strap thing. Man, they package these things really nice and tight. Here's a little box. Pretty straightforward, it looks like. Now here's the battery that it's going on to. It's really dusty and dirty, but should be good. I bought this last year. It's got fluid in it. It's not low or anything, so it should be still good. We're going to use the alligator clips, I think. Let me get this all set up here. Maybe. Gotta be smarter than the tie. Come on now. I like these plugs. Plugs are super, super durable looking. It's got a little octagon and circle plug, but it's really nice and stout. Okay. It's all unwound here. Now I think this is meant to be some sort of mount, maybe. Yeah, it looks to me like that's the case. Maybe you drill it into the wall somewhere, or up there, where have you, just kind of put it up. It's really a nice idea. I don't think any of my battery tenders came in its little box. I mean, they have the screw holes on the back where you can just kind of eyeball it and set it into some screws, but there's no like mounting box kind of thing. I like that. I like that idea a lot. And the more of the unwind and unwrap. Move on to the alligator clips. Of course, black goes to negative. Some nice strong clips. That goes negative. There we go. That goes positive. Well, I'll tell you one thing right off the bat, I like these clips a lot better than my battery tender. They're a lot slimmer. They fit into the cavity nice. They provide a nice secure clamp on the terminal. Put the box in. Fires up. Okay, it's powered. I'm unwinding this last cord here. It's going to be clipping into the pigtail on the battery. Not really pigtail, but the plug on the battery. Come on. Sorry. Let's get this last one done. Again, nice little watertight plug thing. And that's kind of cool. It's got a little clip. It snaps in place. Okay. So I'm going to plug this in, but I'm going to try to keep the camera on the box. I'm going to set it right here. So if it lights up, you guys can see it. Hopefully. 12 volt. That's okay. Read the directions. I think it's charging, but I'm going to take a look. It says it's super low. Take a look what that says here. Oh, 1V. Oh, see, it's trying to go. Let's see. Maybe 12 volt. Yeah, it's charging. 12 volt AGM, and you can hear it kind of percolate in the battery. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's like sizzling. And green means go. That can't be it, right? Force mode. Charger mode. There's no way this thing's done already. Right? Volt. So what cell is ADM? Okay. Of course it doesn't really say on this thing. Connecting to the battery. Connect the positive. Blah blah blah. Did that. And then connect it to a suitable outlet. I did that. Begin charging. Verify the voltage chemistry of the battery. Confirm that you've connected the battery clamps. Yep. First time use. The charger can now be left connected to the battery at all times to provide maintaining charging. Press the mode to toggle the appropriate charge mode. Press hold for 3 seconds to enter advanced charging mode. So I don't really want advanced charging mode. The mode LED will illuminate the selected charge mode, and charge LEDs will blink depending on health of the charge, indicating that the process has started. Okay. Explanation. So when it was on the V thing, it said 25% charge LED will slowly pulse on and off when the battery is less than 25% charge. Well, it couldn't have been 25% to green like that. 50. Okay. Green LED. Pulsing green LED, which it's, okay, it is pulsing. Pulsing green LED. Bulk charge complete, optimizing battery for extended life. Solid is when it will be solid green. Okay. So, if you guys can see that, the green is kind of going in and out. It's bright green, dark. Bright green, dark. So it is pulsing. Okay. When battery's 100% charged, it will charge a solid green light. After the battery is fully charged, Charge will continue to monitor battery life and provide ongoing maintenance and optimization. The 100% charge LED will pulse. 100% charge will pulse on and off slowly during these cycles. It can be left connected to the battery. Well, then how the hell do I know if it's pulsing because it's optimizing or if it's pulsing because it's charged all the way or maintaining? And there's no like warning lights coming on right now, so I guess I'm gonna say that it's still optimizing the battery. I'll come out and check it here in like an hour or so, and if it's good to go, then I'll make a video and put it back in the quad and see if the thing will start. I'll be back here in a bit. Might make a separate video because I don't know how to piece together videos together. So this would be, I don't know, video 1 or episode 1 of the Noco Genius 5 review, or unboxing and review. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you back later. Bye. Stand by for episode 2. Thanks.